I will make them in the places all around my hill a blessing, and I will cause showers to come down in this season. There shall be showers of blessing. Ezekiel chapter 34 verses 20. Hello family, warmest welcome back again to the Lovystouch channel. I do hope you're doing well, and I trust that you're taking good care of yourself. Family, after this video you will realize how simple it is to make your own homemade suya spice. I believe everyone needs the suya spice mix in their homes, especially now that spring and summer is almost here. This is definitely hassle free, and it's just homemade. You made it yourself, so you know exactly what went in. So please stay tuned and let me do this together with you. Our ingredients: I have 3 cups of roasted peanuts. It is salted. I got it from the supermarket, Lidl to be precise. Okay, so here I have my powdered paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and ginger powder, and there comes all that natural spices. Here I have my dried pepper, oregano, rosemary, cumin seeds, cloves, black peppercorns, aniseed, and some coriander seeds as well. Also be using 1 shrimp powder, all-purpose seasoning, and nutmeg powder. As usual family, I will be listing everything down in the description box, and it comes with the exact quantity as well. And also please feel free to use any type of seasoning that you prefer or you like to have in your suya spice mix. Okay, so let's just get started. So I go ahead to grind my peanut help of my food processor, and I would like the texture to be that of gari or sand. Yeah, if you grind it too much, it's going to turn into a puree form, and that is not what we want. Yes, it should feel something like this. Exactly, look at that. You might mistake it for some gari or couscous right now. Yes, that is the exact texture that I want. Once you grind it, you'll feel like there's some sort of oil content in there, so I put it in my plain white cloth and then just squeeze some of the oil that I could get at the moment off, and then transfer it into my baking form, and I will be roasting this for about 5 minutes on a very low heat in the oven. But if you are someone who easily forget things in the oven, I will recommend that you do it on your frying pan instead. Okay, we're roasting this at 120 degrees for 5 minutes. You do not want it to be extremely high, because you might end up burning your peanut. Okay, so in the waiting time, I go ahead to grind all my dried ingredients. It's a coffee grinder, and it works perfectly for all my dried ingredients. So yes, you might just grab one at your stores. It's really very inexpensive, and it goes a long way for you. So I transfer all my dried ingredients, and I'll just grind it until they are perfectly smooth. I will go ahead to add my all-purpose seasoning, nutmeg, and the shrimp powder as well, and grind it together. So there you have it, super smooth, just the way I want it to be. So I go ahead to also sieve it a little bit, because I want it super smooth. Okay, I sieve it and I add all the other powdered ingredients that I made mention of. Oh, ta-da! All my powdered ingredients has been prepped, and it's ready to be added to my peanut once it's ready. Look at that beauty. Don't you love it already? It smells so amazing in here. So right now my peanut has been roasted for about 7 minutes now, as I wanted. So I'm going to take it out. In its hot state, I'm going to squeeze out all the oil that is left in this peanut for the second time. And let me tell you, once we did it the first time, it's not going to be too hard to drain every bit of oil left in here. Use any weapon that you have at home. Here I used my rolling pin to just hit it as hard as I could, and yes, all the oil was absorbed the way I want it to be. I put it all the peanut in my plate, and yay, everything made it without splitting all over, and I was so proud of myself. Once you do it like this, you are not going to get any form of spilling at all. I had to break all the lumps that the peanut has formed, and I realized that nope, this plate was too small, so I transferred it into a bigger bowl, and it was just fantastic. So here I go ahead to add all my natural spice blend. I'll mix it together, and lo and behold, our suya spice is almost done, but it feels a little bit sandy and a little bit cozy, and we want our suya spice to be extremely fine and smooth. It's really dry already, and I'm loving that. Okay, so I go ahead and grind it for the second time with my coffee grinder. Okay, that is going to enhance the smoothness that we are looking for. Look at that, it is just so perfect. Real taste of suya, that is what you're going to get. Real taste. Okay. So grind, repeat until everything has been mixed well. Your suya spice is already made, and you go through it with your hands and break all that lumps that you find in here. Look how beautiful it's looking already, and it smells even more amazing. Just so beautiful, isn't it? All that you have to do is leave it, allow it to dry, air dry. If you have your oven still warm, please put it back in, but I just leave it on the counter, and it was just perfect. Yes, we are done with our homemade suya spice, and I'm so happy because this summer I'm not the carry last. Yes, this suya spice was homemade, and I'm loving every bit of it. My grandma used to make suya spice with kilikuli. Yes, it's a form of snack that we have back home. But I found this recipe via Deb's Delight. She did amazing with it, and I tried it out. It worked perfect few months ago, and yes, I tried it this time around and share it with you, family. It is just so perfect for all your meats, seasoning and everything. Also know that making this with your kilikuli is just the top notch. Please, family, try it with your kilikuli, and you're never going to go back to any other way again. Put a little bit in your jollof, like everything goes with the suya spice. I love it so much. Summer is just around the corner, and I believe you would need this, so please do well to try it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, family. I do appreciate you all so much. If this happens to be your first time stopping by, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up in making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home, and I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board, join the family by subscribing. And if you join the family with this recipe, please comment down below the word here, and I will warmly welcome you to the family. Thank you all so much for watching, and just know that you're so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next video.